Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see how we can create line and column chart with table in Power BI. It is actually a custom visual and it is not here in the visualization pane. You will see we have column charts and we have line charts, but we do not have a line and column chart with table. We have a line and column chart but not with the table one. So for that, first we will have to add it as a custom visual. So I'll click on get more visuals. I'll select this, and here I can see it here, line and stacked column chart. And here, let's see, I will click add. Now it has been imported. I will select this. Let's bring it in the middle. So now here are the columns that we have to populate. So in the shared axis, let's add status. So we can see the status here. In the column values, let's add, okay, in the column values, we will add project, total number of projects. So we will have count distinct and we will rename as total projects. We can also add the average of progress in the line. So make it average of progress. Now you can see you can also add a stacked column here if you want. I'll keep it as it is. And let's go and see how we can modify it further. So I'll click on format your visual. In the table formatting, we can do the background if you want, or if you want to highlight it anyway, the border color, font color and everything. So I will leave it. In the y-axis, let's just remove this, but if you want to have it and if you want to modify it, you can do it from here. I'll just remove it for now. If you want to have a y-axis title, you can add it. I will remove that, and we will use labels. So in the labels, you can see that we have label of the total projects and also label of average progress. Let's see if we can change them. First, we will see total projects. Let's change this to green. The line formatting, we can keep it as it is if you want to. Visibility, total projects, average projects, yes. If you want to remove that, no, we keep it. And yeah, so this is how you can modify your chart and your visual. In the generals, I will just remove the title, and let's change the data format here. So for the total projects, we will keep it whole number, and also for average progress it will be percentage, but we will keep it, no, it's sorry, not percentage, it will be decimal number, but you can keep it as percentage also if you want, and one decimal places. So this is how you can easily create your line and column chart with the table. I hope this video helped you. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.